Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick tips and tricks video for anybody on Windows 10 with the May 2019 update. So we're going to talk about the lock screen picture. A lot of you have been asking me, how do you choose a lock screen picture? What can you do to have a different picture, your picture, or something else than whatever Microsoft offers every day as a lock screen picture? And there's different options available in the settings for the lock screen. So you need to go to the settings app. Here, go into personalization. On the left side, you'll see lock screen. The lock screen will show you the background, so the preview of what the background is. Windows Spotlight is what Microsoft pushes as pictures. Typically every day the picture is different. I personally like that because they are in general very beautiful pictures, but maybe that's not what you want. Well, you click in the box there and it will actually give you two other options. Picture, where you can actually choose a picture from a set of pictures already there, or you can click browse, and here you'll actually be able to get a picture from somewhere in your PC. So you don't have to, you can actually personalize the lock screen with your favorite picture that you want. Also, another is slideshow. Slideshow is your lock screen when your computer is on but displays only the lock screen. You will have a slideshow of your favorite pictures if you want. You can add a folder, which will let you choose a folder that will have different pictures in it. So you can, for example, if you like, space pictures, you can put different images of space in one folder and just add that folder. Or you can choose images or pictures, which are folders that already exist on your computer. And of course, the last thing about it is you can go back to whatever option you want. I'm going to go back to Windows Spotlight because I kind of like this and I find it really, really nice to have on my screen. So that's the options that you have to personalize whatever picture is in your lock screen on Windows 10 May 2019 update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.